Hello, it's January 2, and we decided to visit the Lugo Beach in the sanctuary of Santo Cristo Milagroso at the Dalaquiten Norte, Sinait, Ilocos Sur. So, upon entering, siningil na kami ng pang-cottage, but we insist that we will just stay for just 1 hour, kaya siningil na lang kami ng around 20 pesos per head and parking fee of 15 pesos. So, ayan, there's this Shaira. I'm with the couple, Brian and Princess. Yeah, kaka-first wedding anniversary lang nila. Last December 31. Yeah, Brian is my brother. Yeah, pinakamatanda. I have 3 brothers. And Shaira, the other girl there, girlfriend naman siya ng younger brother ko also, Brayson. She's now staying at US. And then, i-chika ako sa kanila there na hindi na sana kami tutuloy because we don't have the budget of 700 pesos just for 1 hour sa cottage. But since kami daw yung first customer, kaya inalaw na lang kami to have an entrance fee, to pay the entrance fee of 20 pesos per head. And yan, dinala ko na lang yung yoga mat. Lagay ng bags and some packed foods for us para tipid. I understand yung nagma-manage kanina doon, but parang takot siya kasi mga first customer kami. And they have some kind of belief na pag first customer, dapat maganda yung pasok para tuloy-tuloy. However, hindi naman kami nag-cottage, kaya they just allowed me to pay the entrance fee. Pero at least, may pampaswerte. Diba? So, after few minutes, may mga customer, may mga ano na din, may mga tao na din na nag-avail ng mga floating cottages. So, kami dyan, nagsuswim lang, floating lang, walang cottage. That is good. Actually, naambon kanina. Pero buti na lang hindi gaanong malakas. So, continued yung ligaya. Right now dyan, nanonood kami sa mga kabilang cottage kasi nagkakayak na sila. Oh, parang hinanap na naman si Kuya Brian kung nasan na. Yun, nasa kabilang lubid. Makati te, Makati. Oh, chika-chika. Chika-chika with my sister-in-law and future sister-in-law. Makati talaga. Tapos, looking forward sa entry Lukluk. Ayan, tinuturuan ako ni Shaira dyan. Okay, last banlaw and then we go. Tama na te. Expired na ang 20 pesos entrance fee natin. Dumadami ng mga tao. Thank you Lord for your creation. Ang peaceful dito. See you again.